Besides the oil change, it actually has our brake flush as well. So we put our adapter on here. And then we will put the bottle of brake fluid, open the valve. We're gonna pump it up when we get it to about 20 psi. There we go, right at 20. I'm gonna pop this here because on a Macan, the rear brake bleeder is on the inside. So we gotta do it from the bottom. All right, we're gonna get our 11 mil, and there is the bleeder right there. So we're gonna take the brake line, or the brake sensor off of it, hang our bottle up there. There we go. All right, it's on. Take our 11, and don't break it loose. Watch that fluid flow. So we'll go when it's maybe a third of the way on this bottle. Obviously a little over halfway. We're gonna shut this one now. And we're gonna tighten this bleeder. No idea how this camera angle is going back here, but same thing. Hook it on there. All right, it's on there. All right, break it loose. All right, now we got flow. Since it's under the tape, we'll just wait till it's up here. Rear's done. Pop this bad boy down. Drain this. And we're gonna go another round in the front. On, broke loose, flowing. And this is what happens when you leave it too long. You do way too much, but it's a good thing our bottle's full. We don't got to worry about it. Can't hurt. All right, this guy's done. See that bottle's full. We should take it off. Boom, boom. We'll deal with draining that later. Release pressure. Close the valve. There we go. Now we're gonna, after the fluid's full, is right at the max. Spray off any residual. And that's a Macan brake flush.